mga kapaglaom, welcome to Health Bits. The kidneys are pair of bean-shaped organs located just above the waist. Each kidney is only about the size of a fist, yet the kidneys carry out many critical functions. As part of the urinary system, they are responsible for filtering the blood and removing excess fluid and waste for elimination in urine. Other kidney functions include the production of enzymes and hormones that regulate blood pressure, stimulate red blood cell production, and activate vitamin D. If the kidneys fail to function, toxic compounds build up in the blood, causing a wide range of symptoms and life-threatening complications. To keep your kidneys healthy, dare to follow this practical advice. Empty your bladder, cut back on salt, increase your water intake, cut back on caffeine and alcoholic beverages, stop smoking, cut down on animal protein, never take pain relievers without doctor's prescription, and never ignore common infections. Keep your blood pressure normal, control your blood sugar and cholesterol level, maintain an ideal body weight and body mass index, and choose foods that are healthy like fruits, vegetables, nuts, legumes, and grains. This is Miss Laila reminding you to gain health and vitality, fear the Lord and turn your back on evil. Be healthy. It's a wise choice.